Hi, I am Klarens Malluta and I am a digital artist. Some clients that I can mention are DJ Snake, Ultra Music, The Galantis, Jackboy, and Empire Records. Usually I work for singers, labels who want me to create cover arts or visualizers. My work is usually described as trippy, retro, and futuristic. I get inspired from color palettes, 80s style, and synthesized shapes. An essential part of any design work is to experiment a lot, mix styles, and play around with softwares to come up with new ideas. I've created more than 1,000 pieces so far, and on my artworks I try to share my thoughts on topics like existence, time, and human mind. The purpose of each piece is to practice so the next one can be better, and of course to make people feel something. In this Domestika course, you will learn how to transform simple pictures into retro, colorful, trippy animations. I will guide you through the whole process, from the shape cut in Photoshop to the final animations in After Effects. As a final project, we will compose a trippy animated illustration from any photo you choose. You will learn about the trippy and vaporwave styles, which are the main references of my style. We will use Photoshop to create amazing textures and After Effects to create powerful compositions. I will show you how to use both softwares and how to animate your assets. We will work with colors, silhouettes, and all kinds of images you can imagine. You will be able to create futuristic animations that are visually appealing. Also, I will show you how to add music to bring your creations to a whole different level. At the end of this course, you will have learned how to transform simple pictures into colorful animations. This course is for anyone who wants to dive into the abstract side of design using Photoshop and After Effects. Get into the other side of design and play with your imagination.